You are such a big girl. Eat with your fork. Eat with your fork, honey. And this tasty email, see, it has rice and beans and ground and hamburger meat and salsa. And she likes it. It's good on hers. Look how good she's eating with her fork. Yum, yum. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye, Brisa.